If you're the kind of person who loves to cook up a storm in the kitchen, you might already have more than a few kitchen gadgets at your disposal. However, some of the things we're about to show you might just blow your mind with their unique and innovative approach to meal preparation. Buckle up your seatbelts. We're about to take you on the ride of a lifetime with 10 ingenious kitchen gadgets that are on another level. Before we get started, make sure you hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you can keep up to date with all our latest and most exciting content. Be sure to stay till the end of the video to check out our number 1 pick. Number 10. Nomiku Sous Vide Cooker. Have you ever eaten steak at a fancy restaurant that tasted way too good to be true? There's a secret method to turning even the toughest meat into a tender and delicious bite. Now, that secret is available to everyone with the Nomiku Sous Vide Cooker. The Nomiku Sous Vide Cooker makes preparing delicious restaurant-quality meals a total breeze. It features Wi-Fi smart controls that allow you to remotely set up and operate the device regardless of where you are. Sous vide is a cooking technique that originates in France. This method of cooking involves taking food and sealing it in a plastic pouch, before immersing it into a bath of temperature-controlled water for an extended cooking time of several hours. For a long time, sous vide was the exclusive preserve of expensive restaurants and private chefs. The machines used in this artful style of cooking cost thousands of dollars. Now, with the Nomiku Sous Vide Cooker, this innovative method of food preparation is available to everyone without the insane expense. Number 9. Pelimatic Fruit Peeler. We could all probably do with eating more fruits and vegetables than we do on a regular basis. But a lot of that comes down to convenience. It takes a lot of time and effort to prepare fresh fruit. Or at least it did until the Pelimatic Fruit Peeler appeared on the scene. This crazy kitchen gadget is capable of peeling just about any kind of fruit you can imagine. Its super sharp blades can remove the skin of an orange in just a few seconds. This means you can get right to enjoying your healthy treat, instead of messing around removing the awkward peel. The Pelimatic Fruit Peeler is great for people who have limited motor function or have lost the necessary grip to peel a piece of fruit by themselves. This is the ideal kitchen gadget to get grandma eating oranges again. A specially designed trident prong grip allows the Pelimatic Fruit Peeler to securely hold onto your fruit as it peels them. This ensures that the peel is removed evenly and without any risk of dropping the fruit on the floor. Number 8. Kitchen Flux Magic Block. Are you a clean freak who hates germs? Maybe you're just cautious about dangerous bacteria that can harm your family. The Kitchen Flux Magic Block is an ingenious new kitchen gadget that aims to help keep your family safe from bacteria and germs. The Kitchen Flux Magic Block is actually many different useful gadgets in one. While it does look like a regular knife block, it holds more than a few secrets up its sleeves. First and foremost is the ability to sanitize your kitchen knives and other utensils against harmful bacteria. This is achieved by using ultraviolet radiating light technology to kill anything that could make you sick. Wet utensils are one of the first places that bacteria like to pop up in the kitchen. That's why the Kitchen Flux Magic Block has a built-in electric fan to dry your cooking tools. There's a storage space not only for kitchen knives though. A removable tray also allows you to keep cutlery in the Kitchen Flux Magic Block. Finally, as we all know, a dull knife is absolutely no use to anyone. The Kitchen Flux Magic Block features a knife sharpener that pops out of the side of the unit. Number 7. Tescoma Corer. Up next is a kitchen gadget so clever, you might find yourself wondering just how you ever lived without one. Allow us to introduce you to the Tescoma Corer. Stuffed vegetables are a delicious and incredibly healthy meal. But the amount of effort required to hollow them out to make room for the stuffing often means that there's not enough time to make the dish. The Tescoma Corer aims to change all that with its uniquely designed coring blades. The Tescoma Corer comes with multiple different sizes of blade, allowing you to get the perfect coring action regardless of the type of fruit or vegetable you're cooking with. Even more clever is the fact that the handle is actually hollow and serves as a storage receptacle for these blades. You don't have to limit your Tescoma Corer just to making stuffed vegetables though. It's also great for working with fruits such as apples. Whether you're a veteran vegetarian with years of vegetable-based cooking under your belt, or a working mom who just needs to speed up the process of making healthy meals for her kids, we're sure the Tescoma Corer has a place in your kitchen. Number 6. Sous Vide Kitchen Robot. Finding time to make home-cooked meals for your family can be a struggle with the demands of busy modern living. If that sounds like your life, the Sous Vide Kitchen Robot might just be the answer to your prayers. Busy families across America have been using slow cookers and crock pots to cook dinner for years and years now. The problem is you're kind of limited what you can cook, and you have to make sure you're home for when it's ready. With the Sous Vide Kitchen Robot, that isn't a problem anymore. This uniquely designed kitchen gadget features 4 separate compartments that allow you to cook the different elements of your dish in each one. Sous Vide actually analyzes the food you're making and paces the cooking time so everything is ready at the same time. That's even better than some human chefs we know. And if that wasn't good enough, the Sous Vide kitchen robot can be remotely controlled using a free smartphone app. Meals can be scheduled to be finished whenever you arrive home from work. Worried about food going bad while you're away all day? Not a problem for Sous Vide. This crazy gadget actually functions like a refrigerator that chills your food and keeps it fresh until it's time to cook. Number 5. Rotimatic. Fans of Indian cuisine are going to love our next kitchen gadget. Roti is a type of delicious round flatbread from India. It's made using simple ingredients. Just oil, flour, and water are required. The Rotimatic is a new invention that takes the effort out of making roti and does every single step for you. Making fresh and delicious roti has never been easier than now. Simply load your ingredients directly into the Rotimatic machine and let it take over. The Rotimatic measures ingredients to perfection before mixing them into a dough and even rolling that dough into balls to be baked. These dough balls are then brought through into the built-in oven, which cooks the roti in just moments before ejecting it out at the side. The craziest thing about the Rotimatic is that it takes almost no time at all to produce the roti. In fact, you can have fresh, hot roti in your hands and ready to be devoured in as little as just 90 seconds. Now that's impressive. However, the Rotimatic isn't just stuck making roti. Oh no, this innovative little machine can make pizza, puri, and even tortillas. Number 4, Treve. Boiling hot pots and lids from saucepans are 2 of the most awkward to deal with kitchen items. Under normal circumstances, you have to be incredibly careful not to burn yourself or dirty up the pot lids. At least, that's how it used to be. Now, you can use Treve to deal with those problems and enjoy a stress-free cooking experience. Treve is a uniquely designed dual-action transforming trivet that turns into a lid holder in just moments. Forget about finding a space to set down your saucepan lids and take advantage of this convenient and space-saving gadget. One of the greatest features of Treve is its ability to act not only as a regular trivet for one pan, but also to transform into a dual trivet for multiple pans or larger cooking vessels. As you'd expect from any good trivet, the Treve is exceptionally heat resistant. It can handle temperatures up to 475 degrees Fahrenheit. In practical terms, that means you never have to worry about your countertop getting burned ever again. Number 3, Vinci Citrus Juicer. Most people enjoy a glass of orange juice with their breakfast, but the pre-bottled stuff you get from the store never tastes quite as good as fresh. Liven up your morning routine and add freshly squeezed orange juice to your breakfast with the Vinci Citrus Juicer. The Vinci Citrus Juicer uses an innovatively designed juicing mechanism to remove every last drop of juice from your orange. It's incredibly easy to use and looks great on the kitchen counter. Fresh juice is just moments away. The Vinci Citrus Juicer makes light work of large oranges and squeezes out the juice directly into a reservoir that can hold up to 12 ounces of liquid. You can even choose the amount of pulp you want by changing out the built-in filter for one of a different size. Unlike old-fashioned juicers that easily clog up with pulp and fibers, the Vinci Citrus Juicer is incredibly easy to keep clean. In fact, all you need to clean this amazing juicing machine is regular old hot soapy water. Number 2, Countertop Sprouter. Did you know that it's actually incredibly easy to grow your own sprouts from the comfort of your home? The Countertop Sprouter is an amazing little kitchen gadget that lets you play indoor farmer and produce your own delicious greens. While you can grow sprouts in traditional pots with soil in your kitchen, they don't look very nice and the dirt can easily get everywhere. The Countertop Sprouter is uniquely designed to not only be incredibly attractive in your kitchen, but also keep everything clean and tidy. In fact, this little gadget is so clever, it doesn't even use any soil at all. Simply add water, sprout seeds, and shake out the excess water. In no time at all, you'll see beautiful, green, healthy sprouts growing up inside the Countertop Sprouter. Keeping your sprouts clean has never been easier. The specially ventilated lid in the Countertop Sprouter allows you to daily rinse them with clean water to ensure they stay fresh. Number 1, Garlic Chopper. The final Ingenious kitchen gadget on our list is a neat little bit of kit that could have a home in millions of kitchens across the world due to its popular use. Everyone knows that garlic is one of the foundational flavors of many different delicious dishes, but preparing it can be time-consuming and an annoying chore. The garlic chopper is here to take that chore and not only cut down the time it takes, but also make it fun in the process. Freshly minced garlic tastes the absolute best, and it's just moments away with the garlic chopper. Simply load 3 peeled cloves of garlic into the clear hopper to begin. Once you've got your garlic in the hopper, you close up the little doors and begin to chop. How do you chop with this odd-looking little gadget? We were hoping you'd ask. This is one of the most fun kitchen gadgets on the list, as it actually chops the garlic when you roll the wheels back and forth. While it may be far more enjoyable to use than any other garlic mincing gadget, that doesn't mean the garlic chopper isn't practical. The cutting blades can be removed from the clear hopper, allowing it to be cleaned incredibly easily. And that's 10 ingenious kitchen gadgets that are on another level. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a like and let us know in the comments what you think. Check out our other videos and subscribe to be part of the fun. Click on the notification icon so you can see our new videos as soon as they're uploaded. That's it for now.